Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to my channel, FlavorSalt.com, where we sprinkle a little magic into your meals and add a dash of health to your life. I'm thrilled you're here with me. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who just burned water chuckles, this channel is for you. Here, I'm all about bringing you the tastiest, healthiest recipes that will make your tummy happy and your body feel even better. And let's be real, you don't have to sacrifice flavor to eat healthily. I'm on a mission to prove that healthy food can be delicious. I'll share recipes tailor-made for everyone, vegan, gluten-free, or just plain awesome. But it's not just about the recipes, it's about community too. I want you to feel inspired to cook, get creative, and share your experiences. That's why I'll be featuring your recipes and cooking stories. We're all in this together. I want to hear from you. What do you want to learn to cook? Got any secret family recipes or healthy hacks? Let me know in the comments. We're building a family of flavor enthusiasts and health-conscious foodies right here. And hey, it won't be all perfect. Because let's be real, cooking is an adventure, and not every adventure goes as planned. So, if you're ready to taste the world of flavor, nurture your health, and maybe even have a good laugh or two, hit that subscribe button and join the Flavor Salt family. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you.